So here we are on another episode on Taylor's Van Life. Today I'm going to be unboxing this BougeRV Portable Diesel Heater. I want to just thank the Travelling Hutchinsons. I entered a competition last week or a week or two ago, something like that, and I was the lucky winner. We're going to do some kind of collab in the future when I'm... Start again.
It's now you say the word.
We're leaving that in.
Collab. Yeah, it's collab.
It's a collab. So yeah, we just want to thank the Travelling Hutchinsons for, I don't know, or their random number generator who picked me out for this glorious win of this BougeRV Portable Diesel Heater. So thank you very much. There's your shout out. Travelling Hutchinsons, go check them out. So let's get on with unboxing this with no further ado. There it is, all packed up, lovely. So this will be the bit that goes on the front, I'm presuming. A nice duct that goes in through the van window. That'll be the exhaust. Yeah. Let's see what's in all this. You might want to double time to get all this light for the main event. It's weighty. And I've got to use a manual in there and stuff like that. I'll have to have a read of that before I switch it on. So first impressions, it's looking very high quality. Nice chrome brush steel. We've got these flip up handles to make it easier for carrying. On the front we've got an LCD display, air intake. I presume that's where this plugs in if you wanted to use 24 volt to power it. So I'm going to probably power it from my inverter. And on the other side we've got I presume this is where the heat comes out, and then this I'm presuming is going to go on here. Yeah, then that'll be piped in through the camper van window, and this will sit outside. Hopefully it fits underneath the van. If not, I'm going to build some kind of thing over the wheel, some kind of shelf that it can sit on, so the ducting can reach inside. In these boxes, let's see what we've got going on. This is the silencer, so this goes onto one side of this. So this bit will screw into, so that bit screws in at this side, just down here. We'll take that rubber stopper out, screw that on, and the silencer will fit into one of these, I'm presuming. I'll figure that out. In the other box, let's see what we've got. Aha! So you can power it by a 12 volt cigarette lighter, and we've got all the clips and everything like that there. Remote control, so you can control it from inside without having to climb outside all the time, switch it on and off and all that lot. And then here we've got the battery connections. I think this is probably going to be the way forward. That it's going to be easier to power it from inside the van this way. So there we go, that's all the bits that I've got here. At some point or another I'll do a testing video as well when I've actually got it set up and piped in through. So another lovely little find there from the Travelling Hutchinsons. They've sent me a little sticker, so thank you very much for that. I'll find somewhere in the van for it. Well, thank you very much to the Travelling Hutchinsons for that win, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop that like and subscribe and comment and all that lot. I know it's cringeworthy, but it does help the channel. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next episode.